Hello, my name is Calvert Mata, and I was playing a little bit about Mateando Daily. And here's what is this brand about? I mean, Mateando Daily is a daily community where people can learn about mate, and it's also a place where we can connect with others and share that culture and share that teach a little bit about what actually that drink is actually more common in the south part of South America. Um, One of the goals for my channel daily was, to teach others about the health benefit of mate and teach others how to drink it and create a community where people can share about the drink and how is it helps them in their everyday life. So how this started like a year ago, uh, and posts were planned, were not planned, and well, they were playing the moment. They were irregular, and it was like more like I didn't know much about how to brand it and make a better thing out of it. Like I started with when I started the class, we made a logo and actually help out, to with the brand, and that's how here's is the content now. The posts are more carefully planned in advance, and um, photographs are copied and carefully crafted. I mean, I try to have some light in there, try to make it a little bit better. Getting all this idea of the creation of the content through this class, which is helping. It's been helping a lot. And getting all those ideas from the actual contents going. My current metrics is like 38 followers. We didn't have much followers when we started with, and likes would be roughly around 24 like. The sponsored posts help increase engagement. So the hashtags also has a better engagement. And most popular post was the video how to make the mate. So it seems like I'll be posting more of these videos. That's why I actually have a little bit here. What my future goals for Mateando Daily. I think people want to see a little bit more interaction, and like a video. And I think that social media people like to see that engagement. The goal is to continue to grow the brand. I will continue to post regularly, and I will post a very of mate related content, and I will use this tool to help me track all the things that I learned through this class. And thank you very much.